Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Terraform providers for data platform infrastructure, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure you have Terraform installed on your machine. Verify the installation by running the command Terraform v. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Create a new file named main.tf in this directory. Open main.tf with your preferred text editor. Define the required Terraform provider in the file. For example, to use the AWS provider, add the line provider AWS. Specify the required version of the provider. You can do this by adding the required _providers block. Here's an example: Terraform, required _providers, AWS equals, source equals #HashiCorp/os, version equals 3.0. Save the changes to main.tf. Run the command Terraform init in the terminal. This command initializes the directory and downloads the specified provider. Terraform will automatically detect the necessary providers. You will see output indicating the provider has been downloaded. If you need additional providers, repeat the previous steps. Modify main.tf to include multiple providers as needed. For instance, to add Google Cloud, include provider Google. Specify the corresponding required _providers for each provider. After all configurations are set, run Terraform init again. Terraform will download the additional providers as specified. Once completed, you're ready to use the downloaded providers in your configuration. Close your text editor and terminal when finished. You have successfully downloaded Terraform providers for your data platform infrastructure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.